Hey there, Crimson Desert Gamers. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can get these Scorchflame Plate Gloves. So first things first, you need to come to this part of the map. I will zoom out here so you can see where we are. So we've obviously got the town of Herdnan just here. Then you've got Rocker Hills, and then over the Rocker Hills, you've got these slave camps, etc. And then you come to a bridge, which is just west of Reventine Winery. So you can see obviously there's a lot of water here, a lot of waterfalls, etc. And then we've got this one just here where I'm standing right now. I'll just mark myself there on the map for you. Basically what we want to do is basically come here to where you've got these two waterfalls just here, and all we're going to do is actually jump off, and as we glide down here you're going to see that there is an entrance there to get in, which I'll bring us down to here. And there's a couple of things you can loot here, nothing crazy. And then once you've landed, you are going to have an entrance way there that's going to take you to a boss fight if you want it, but really what you want to do is come over here to where this statue is just here. Go ahead and take out your weapon, and then you want to basically do a stab attack. In order to do a stab attack, I hold down shift right click on the keyboard, and then we stab through the waterfall like such, and then that's going to basically bring us into this room here, and you can see there's a glowing chest. All we need to do here to open this is just go ahead and press E, and there we have it. We've now got the Scorchflame Plate Gloves, which you can see here in my inventory. They've got 14 attack, 6 defense. They've also got a special ability, Volcanic Eruption, and they also give a spirit buff. So I really hope that this video helps, guys. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.